This is our fundraising application through WhatsApp. It's made easy now. You can see all the cash pledges, projected amount, and the cash that you have at hand. This application will give you each name and the person's contribution to your school fees, personal wedding, travel, or funeral, religion, or welfare. Just sign up, all right? Then be part of the contribution. Now start fundraising for your projects, for your house, for your businesses, and then show us how we are going to contribute without physically coming there, by just sending through, and then you'll see the information and everything. Just sign up and then you'll see all the report, and then you can send out this report to your colleagues too. Welcome once again. My name is Ernest Digits, and today is another day that we are looking at Tuchange, fundraising manager. So in Kenya today, I share about how to make money online. I share the solutions on financial problems that are facing you. I look into how to make money online and also share apps and websites that can help you make money online. Side hustles, work from home jobs, and careers that are open for you online. You'll get them here at Ernest Digits. Now, today being a Thursday, or one of our fine days that we upload our videos, I've looked into Tuchange, a fundraising manager application that can help you manage fundraising in a world today where people are always busy. You can help yourself by downloading this application on Google Play Store. It's called Tuchange. It's a fundraising manager application where it can contribute all the money from WhatsApp groups and make your contribution by giving you all the accounting solutions. Stick here if you love this video and you want to make this finding a permanent solution for your financial stability. My name is Ernest. I'll be showing you this all the time, every week. So make sure you subscribe, right? For you to get all these videos at your fingertips all the time when I post. Do you love me? Then comment below. Let me know what are you planning to do with financing and also fundraising your money. How do you manage your account? How do you manage your finance? How do you put your money together? Now let's look into this tuchange.co.ke, a fundraising manager application. I'll open up and sign up and take you through to step and see how it works. About this one, Tuchange tutorials. Now introducing Tuchange, manage WhatsApp group fundraising like a breeze. Always multiple group support, record contribution, keep track of pledges, multiple WhatsApp groups. So payment and pledge acknowledgement. Send acknowledgements in real time to better appreciate payees and pledges. So it's also instant when you pay or when you contribute your contribution to the group. It's quite instant. It sends messages to all the members if one of you has done the contribution. Next, let's see. So what you need to do is you put your phone number here and then you put your password when you're signing up. Let's see. Okay, this one is when you're logging in. So we don't have an account right now. What you shall do is to create one. So creating an account, I'll sign up, then come back to you, then we log in, right? So eventually what happens here, you put your first name and then put your second name, then put your phone number here, your password, then confirm your password, and then make sure you create an account. So account is already created. We can save through Google. Now to our password, to our account, it says welcome Ernest, and then there is a code, the 4-digit code that's supposed to come here. Then we shall enter into this, enter the 4-digit code or send the code. First of all, you'll click send the code, then the code 6348. Okay, verify my phone number. Okay, the phone number is verified. And now here are our fundraising dashboard. Now, hi Ernest, there is 0 collected. So you can add here fundraiser. On your left, there is a Tuchange dashboard. And then here you can add Let me see. You can add how you want the fundraising group name. And then if it's category of school fees, you can check here different categories. You can use till number. You can put personal or pay bill number. You can put till number. And then you can also state if there's any other payment options. You can state there. If it's for school fees, for medical, for wedding, funeral, religious, business, welfare, and other. If it's another type, you can just type here other. It also sounds very good. If it's business, you can do that. If it's a pay bill number, you can do that. And then enter the pay bill number here, enter the pay bill names, then enter pay bill account, and so forth. And then use the app to post updates directly to the group. Yes, you can use the application if you have it. And then the blue button here, it talks about how to save the documents when you finish getting your records very clear. Right now, I want to take to you 3 items here. If you want to share, contact us, the mobile phone, the application producers. You can also check or share the app with your friends and family. And then you can also do this. Let me see. You can check the terms and conditions through Tuchange blog. You can read about them so much. So any record when you start any fundraising, all right, when you start any fundraising, you'll find that enter recipients registered names, which means you'll enter the names of people that are in your group. Of course, you'll enter their registered names here. Now, documents will look this way. All right. Now you'll see Mike, if someone has just contributed or given a pledge, it will also show him or show you all this. And then you can contribute and also put. Now this is what will come out later on. You'll see something like this. This is how it will be. So you'll get the cash, you'll find the cash, you also find pledges and summary, and the totals will also be given there. The cash and the pledges, all of them put in one place. So make sure you use this application to manage and also control your fundraising. If it's a chama, it's a group of people that have come together and you want all of you to see what it's all about. This is an open way, an online platform for making your finances and fundraising better for management online, free of charge. See you in the next video. Make sure you download this application. My name is Ernest. Subscribe right now.